Hi guys, I welcome you all to a new video, and today we will be talking about how you can change your inner door control cable, which is responsible for locking your door from inside. And with this cable you you are able to open your door. As you can see, this has my internal cable has broken, and my handle is totally free, completely free. It is not working. So in this video I'll be telling you guys how you can disassemble this door card and how safely and easily replace your door control cable. Well, this is not the original Ford door control cable. This is a generic one which will cost around 450 rupees in the local market, and it is a part which is a bit hard to come by. So yeah, found what I found, and this will work. I seriously tried really hard to get the original OEM part. The OEM part cost around 434 rupees, but it is not available in the journal automotive shops. Maybe it will be available in the service centers. So yeah, so let's get started. So first of all, what you have to do is you have to pry this open from here. You have to be a bit gentle, but this will come out very easily. I'll show you in a second. And then there is this one screw over here. I want to show you guys all, and then there are two screws under there, and I will also show you guys how to easily remove this. This is very easy. You just have to pry this via your hand or a very soft plastic screwdriver which has a plastic tip, so that your plastic does not get damaged. And always make sure that you remove this way. Okay, if you remove this way, then your tabs will get broken. And then, as you can see, these are the two screws, here and here, one here. Then what you have to do is you have to come down here in the section. Then there is one screw over here and one screw over here. Total there are 5 screws. The first step which we need to take is to remove this part, and I'll show you how this is done. As you can see, I have this flathead screwdriver. You just have to do is you have to put it over here softly, gently, and you have to pry. See, it has come out. Now what you have to do is you have to put one finger over here, and you have to gently put your finger, this finger over here, and just try to remove the other tab. There are 2 tabs over here. One is here and the other one is down there. Okay, so if you're not able to pull this out, what you have to do is again you have to take your flathead screwdriver and you have to put it over here. Okay, and you have to gently take that pressure. You don't have to apply a lot of pressure. This can be removed very easily if done properly. As you can see that I have disconnected this panel, and now I'll put this aside, and now we'll concentrate on a hidden screw, for which you have to remove this tab to reveal that screw. All you have to do is pry with your nail like that, and see, very easily you can remove this cap, and now the screw is accessible. This lever is connected to this thing inside. What you have to do is you have to remove this first, and you have to disconnect it from here. Now I want to make you all see this thing. This is how the cable is connected to this lever system. What you need to do is you have to release this thing from here, and you have to push it over here. As soon as you push it from here, see, it is very easy to remove this part. you don't have to pry this from the outside. What you can do is you can very easily put your hand inside just like that, and there is a tab over here, and you can gently push it upwards. See, it is so easy to remove. Now you can disconnect this wire very easily and put this aside. See, what you have to do is you just have to try this out, and you have to make sure that you have to lift this door card from here. You have to just lift this door card from here, and you have to just pull this out. See, it is so easy to remove. For the reinstallation of new cable, you have to remove the door handle assembly and the lock assembly completely outside the door, because this cable cannot be removed because there is no space for this to move from the inside. So you have to remove it. So now let's change the cable. See, you can remove this like that, and what you have to do, you have to twist it till here, and you have to remove this like that. This is the broken part of the wire because of which this cable failed. This is the new cable. All you have to do is just, it's done, it's installed. Now all you have to do is reinstall this back into the door. What you guys have to do is you have to drop the complete assembly via this hole. Bolt needs to be tightened from here, and after that I'll show you guys how to install the handle back. For installing the handle, all you have to do is you have to just slide this inside. As you guys can see that I have reinstalled the assembly back. I have routed the cable over here, and yes, the handle gave me a little bit trouble this time. Last time when I opened this, it was a breeze for me to reinstall this, but this time it gave me some trouble. Things can become a bit finicky at times, and that exactly happened with me this time. So yes, now it is working properly, as you guys can see. So now what we have to do is reinstall the whole door cart and all the electronics associated over here. Right now I'm inside the car, and let's test the work which we have done. As you can see that I have connected every electrical point, and I've reinstalled the door cart. Now for locking purposes I need to push inside, and now you can see that the car is been locked. The function is working very properly. Now it is unlocked. Now you can open the door and close the door. Lock, open. This is how this should function. And guys, I hope that you like this video, and kindly share, subscribe, and give some support to me, because these sort of videos take a lot of time and energy, and a little bit of appreciation is always appreciated. Thank you guys. I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye.